Hey guys, what's up? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with yet another mail call, this time for HO. So we're going to open this up and we're going to see what's in the box. Oh yeah. Open this up to make sure this is what it is. This is new to me. It is a Proto 2000 Gp38-2 in Csx Y&2. Fully assembled, and I've been looking for one of these in Y&2 for a long time. I recently found this, so let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Even comes with instruction manuals converting to DCC. This is absolutely gorgeous. It was brand spanking new. And I will clear the way here. Isn't that something? I'm gonna set up here on the test track. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. You can see here we've got all sorts of separately applied details. Got the Chris CSX logo. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. See all the separately applied details around the back and even on the trucks. I can put some couplers on it. Couplers are easy to get because I've actually got some. So what I'm going to do is we're going to fire it up here on the test track, and we're going to see what it does and what it doesn't. Hasn't been running a while, I think. Oh yeah. Headlight works. Tail light works. Even its low speed is very good. Oh yeah. Definitely some underappreciated engines as well. These have got very good drives. Well, there you have it, guys. My new CSX as a GP38-2 by Proto 2000. I really love this engine. Take the camera off the tripod and let y'all take a look at it. Absolutely gorgeous. Just have to fix the back number boards, which is simple to fix, and fix the handrails a little bit on that side. But man, this thing absolutely looks great. And you will definitely be seeing this in a future video. So with that, guys, I hope all of you enjoyed. And I have to thank you all so much for watching.